Imagine biting into a juicy, sweet watermelon that you've grown yourself, right in your backyard. There's something uniquely satisfying about growing your own watermelons, from the anticipation of the first sprout to the rewarding taste of the first bite. Unlike store-bought options, homegrown watermelons offer unparalleled freshness and a sweetness that's hard to match. It's not just about the delicious fruit, it's about the joy of gardening and the thrill of cultivation. So, if you're ready to experience the thrill of harvesting your own watermelons, stick around as we dive into the step-by-step process. Your journey towards a delicious homegrown watermelon starts with selecting the right seeds. The quality of your seeds can make or break your harvest. There are a variety of watermelon seeds available, from the classic Crimson Sweet to the compact Sugar Baby. Consider your local climate and the space you have available. Perhaps you prefer seedless watermelons or crave the nostalgia of spitting out seeds. With the right seeds in hand, you're one step closer to enjoying your own luscious watermelons. Now that you've got your seeds, it's time to get them in the ground and start the growing process. Begin by preparing your soil. It should be rich, well-drained, and slightly acidic. Dig a hole about 1 inch deep and plant your seeds. They need room to grow, so space them about 2 feet apart. Water them immediately after planting, making sure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. As your watermelons grow, they'll need plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day. A well-balanced fertilizer can give your plants the nutrients they need. Be vigilant about pests. Regular checks can help you spot potential problems early and take action. When it comes to watering, remember that less is more. Overwatering can lead to diseases. Instead, water deeply but less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a bountiful watermelon harvest. After weeks of anticipation, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. It's harvest time. Knowing when to harvest is key. Look for a creamy yellow spot where the watermelon has been resting on the ground. A ripe watermelon will also have a dull skin. Once harvested, keep them in a cool place to prolong their freshness. Slice it up for a refreshing treat or add them to salads for a twist. With the right care, you'll be rewarded with the sweetest, juiciest watermelons you've ever tasted. Growing your own watermelons can be a rewarding and delicious experience. From selecting the right seeds to the joy of harvesting, each step in this journey brings its own unique satisfaction. Imagine biting into a juicy, sweet watermelon that you've nurtured from a tiny seed. It's a taste of success that only a true gardener can savor. Remember, the sweet taste of success is just a seed away. So, why wait? Start your watermelon gardening journey today. And don't forget, for more gardening tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.